डेंजरस इश्क को कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे और आपके किरदार को कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे इस फिल्म में?
Well, I think Dangerous Ishq जो है is a supernatural thriller. It's a woman-centric film, first time in 3D that's ever been made in India. And I think मेरा जो role है is something which I have never done before. And I think the audience will get to see a Karisma Kapoor of 2012. And मेरा जो role है goes through so many different past lives that you will get to see me in many different avatars, speaking many different languages. तो मैंने मारवाड़ी बोली है, उर्दू, पंजाबी, इंग्लिश, हिंदी. तो काफ़ी कुछ मेहनत गई है फिल्म में. लॉट ऑफ होमवर्क, लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च. तो इट्स बीन वेरी चैलेंजिंग.
You're very excited about this film, but it took 3 long years for you to do this film. So tell us the story behind it. What was it?
Well, genuinely, I think after I settled down and had children, मैं बहुत clear थी कि मुझे घर पे रहना है, बच्चों को संभालना है. और जब वो थोड़े बड़े हो जाएंगे तब देखूंगी क्या करना है मुझे. आई थिंक मेरी पहली फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी जब मैं 16 साल की थी, तो आई नीडेड अ ब्रेक और मैंने बहुत मेहनत की है. तो मैंने सोचा था कि आई जस्ट वांट टू बी अवे फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग. And then Vikram kept coming to me that I have this idea and I have this film और मेरा मन ही नहीं था उसमें. And finally last year, in the beginning of last year, he was like, एक बार सुन तो लो because I've completed the script and it's going to be made in 3D and it's very unusual and आपने कभी कुछ ऐसे किया ही नहीं है. तो I said, okay, चलो let's see what, because I've been offered movies on and off and all the while, but I always felt कि नहीं, मैंने ये तो किया है पहले. I've done this. So nothing really excited me. So then finally when I heard the subject, it really bowled me over.
एक तरफ विक्रम भट्ट हेट स्टोरी जैसी इरोटिका फिल्म प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, दूसरी तरफ वो डेंजरस इश्क जैसी सुपरनैचुरल थ्रिलर फिल्म डायरेक्ट करते हैं. You have both been working for so long in this industry,
Yes.
but it never crossed your mind that you would love to work with Vikram
Well,
Bhatt?
yeah, just strangely, even though we were in the same industry, our paths never came together. Maybe it was destiny that we had to kind of meet with this film. And yeah, he had me in mind, and I don't know, I guess maybe he envisioned me in this film. And I'm really happy कि मैंने इस film में काम किया है, because it really excited me as an actor on every level. क्योंकि इतना कुछ we've done so much मेहनत on every level, be it costume, makeup, hair, body language, dialect, dialogue, past life regression के बारे में इतना कुछ homework किया हमने. तो it was very exciting.
कहा जा रहा है कि ये विक्रम भट्ट की रियल लाइफ स्टोरी पर बेस्ड है, तो क्या
Not,
उन्होंने आपके साथ कभी शेयर किया है?
yeah, absolutely. ये real life story नहीं, उनका real life experience पे based हुई है film. Basically, he went for a past life regression and he decided to write this film. So it was, I guess he got the germ of an idea from there. और मैंने past life regression नहीं की, तो मैंने उनसे काफ़ी कुछ डिस्कस की और हमने बैठे और बहुत होमवर्क करना पड़ा, क्योंकि ऐसा सीन है फिल्म में जो ऑडियंस को हम दिखाएंगे कि कैसे रिग्रेशन होता है एंड हाउ डू यू गेट रिग्रेस्ड. तो इट विल बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड इंट्रीगिंग फॉर द ऑडियंस.
Karishma, do you think this is the perfect comeback film for you? Because lots of
Comeback, I don't use that word.
Okay.
Well, I think yes, I was on a
Lots of
sabbatical.
Lots of actresses have made their comeback, be it Madhuri or be it Sridevi, who's making her comeback in English English. So do you think this is the perfect film for you, who will make a
Well,
mark?
I genuinely feel, now it's up to the audience to decide, but definitely एक चीज़ है कि audience has not seen me do this before, so they'll definitely see me in something new. So in that sense, it is definitely going to be something different. And the subject is very intriguing. It has good music. It's a 3D film. So there is a lot, plus it's a love story. It is a story of today. It's a story of a strong woman fighting for what she believes in and going in search for what she believes in. So I think it's a very today's movie, but it has a lot of nostalgia in it. So I think it will appeal to every generation.
Talking talking about the love story of the film, you cast opposite young star called Rajneesh Dukkal, and he's been a big fan of yours. So how was it on the sets working with him?
Well, it was very sweet, and I think he was very quiet, and I'm a very quiet person, but I found him so quiet. So I think there are many young actors in our movie, and I think they've all done really well. क्योंकि जैसे कि रजनीश को ये अलग-अलग गेटअप्स हम देखते हैं, जो आपने प्रोमो में भी देखा होगा. It's very difficult for a new actor to even do that, but he's carried it very well.
काफी सारे डिफरेंट लुक्स हैं आपके. आपका सबसे फेवरेट लुक कौन सा है फिल्म में?
I can't pick a favorite like that, but I feel maybe my character of Salma from Aurangzeb time was very pretty and very beautiful, and so that was nice.
अगर सेट्स की बात करें तो किस तरह की कोई वाकया हुआ है सेट्स के दौरान जो आप अभी भी याद करके हंसती है उसको लेकर? ऐसा कोई वाकया?
Well, ऐसे मैं हंसती नहीं हूँ, लेकिन मैं सोचती हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे जोर से लग गया था सेट पे. आई वाज शूटिंग विद जिम्मी, और मेरा जो नेल है, टो नेल, वो निकल गया था, और ऐसा बहुत हाई पावर्ड सीन चल रहा था जिसमें वो मुझे खींच के ले जा रहे हैं और मैं चिल्ला रही हूँ, पर एक्चुअली मैं पेन से चिल्ला रही थी. एंड विक्रम इज टेलिंग मी बहुत अच्छा शॉट था, बहुत, एंड देयर वाज ब्लड एवरीवेयर इन द फ्लोर. तो इट वाज इन अ वे funny also कि it was a real life situation going on, because I was like leave me, but actually मेरा पैर को लग गया था. तो
Karishma, it's been said that your best performances in a woman-oriented film was Zubaida, Fiza, and Shakti. So, would you consider this film like in the similar lines?
Well, if I may say so, which I'm sure the audience will decide, I think it will be a step above, because I think मैंने बहुत मेहनत की, और बहुत शेड्स है इस फिल्म में, whether it's performance, look, and so many things going for it, कि I think the audience would, if they've liked these films, they will definitely like Dangerous Ishq.
जैसे कि 3 साल लग गए आपको इस फिल्म करने के लिए, so tell us something about the uniqueness of the film, क्या यूनिक आप मानती है
I
इस
think
फिल्म में?
जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा था, I think it's a story, it's a screenplay, it's the character of my role. I play so many different shades that I think, and it's the thrill of the movie, कि even though it is a modern day story, it's got so much old world charm. So it's a connect of both these things that makes the film.
So do you believe in reincarnations in real life?
I definitely, I don't know about reincarnation, but I do believe कि कुछ ना कुछ है जिंदगी में, that the souls connect. और ऐसे आपके साथ भी हुआ होगा, मेरे साथ भी हुआ, कि we feel किया इसके साथ हमारा क्यों connection है? Could be somebody in your office, could be somebody at home, some friend, कि इनको मैं क्यों इतना पसंद करती हूँ? Why do I like to talk to this person? मेरा क्या connection है? तो they say it's from your past life. It's the karma that's coming in this lifetime.
काफी सारी फिल्में बन चुकी है reincarnations पे. Any favorite of yours? जो reincarnation?
Well, I definitely say कर्ज with Chintu uncle, most definitely.
And why?
I think it's a beautiful movie and it's my uncle's film.
म्यूजिक के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे, किस तरह का म्यूजिक है और आपका फेवरेट सॉन्ग कौन सा होगा?
I think the music really works for the movie, like all Vikram's movies. I think the USP in a way has been also good music. I think similarly, I think Dangerous Ishq has a nice variety of music and going with the film, but modern, which people will enjoy also, and catchy. So I think my favorite is Tu Hi Rab and Naina Ray, but Naina Ray there is a remix also, which is really lovely, so I like that.
आप एक लंबे अंतराल के बाद फिल्म्स कर रही है, तो जो परिवर्तन आपने देखा है, चाहे वो सब्जेक्ट के साथ हो या किसी म्यूजिक के साथ हो, या अब अगर आप उसमें वो देखती है तो कितना आप सोचते कितना बदलाव आया है?
I think we're growing every day in the industry. The industry has really opened up, and I think even the audience, and I think multiplexes coming in have created a very good space for all sorts of actors today. क्योंकि अलग-अलग तरीके की films बन रहे हैं, subjects बन रहे हैं, and I think today the audience is very open to a variety of things. तो बहुत अच्छी बात है.
फिर जो रीमेक्स का दौर आ रहा है, करिश्मा आप भी सत्ते पे सत्ता कर रही है, जो रीमेक्स का दौर आ रहा है, काफ़ी सारी फिल्में बन रही है रीमेक्स पे, उस पर क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आपके डबल रोल के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
ओह वेल अभी पता नहीं कि कब चालू होने वाली है सत्ते पे सत्ता, सो आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक टू मच अबाउट दैट, बट इट्स नाइस टू हियर यू नो कि जुड़वा 2 बन रही है, तो इट्स फन टू हियर, आई एम वेटिंग टू सी द फिल्म.
Okay. Uh, what would you like to tell your audience?
Well, I just like to say, please, May 11th, do go and watch Dangerous Ishq, and I hope the audience enjoys it. Thank you.
Karishma, 3 favorite songs of yours from the 90s.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And why do you like those
Yeah.
songs?
Hero number 1, Sona Kitna Sona Hai. I think it's me and Chichi together, great chemistry, or we shot it in Switzerland and we had a lot of fun. So I think that's one film which I really cherish. So that's Sona Kitna Sona Hai. Then I would say, which song should I? Pardesi Pardesi Jana Nahi from Raja Hindustani. I think वो was a very dramatic interval point in I think हिंदी सिनेमा की जैसे, और बहुत ही पॉपुलर सॉन्ग था, तो इट्स वन ऑफ माई ऑल टाइम फेवरेट्स. एंड let me name, I like because we've had so much fun with David G, BV number 1 का title song, BV number 1, so they all used to tease me in the shooting when we used to do that, so that was fun. Yeah, thank you. Is it actually over?